food for plants and animals. The only living things on the earth that can make their own food are the plants. So they are called producers or autotrophs. Most plants make food in their green leaves by a process called photosynthesis. Plants make food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, the green pigment chlorophyll, and sunlight. The roots of a plant absorb water from the soil. The stem carries this water to the leaves. The leaves absorb carbon dioxide through tiny openings called stomata. Sunlight is trapped by chlorophyll present in the leaves. A chemical reaction takes place in which water combines with carbon dioxide to form oxygen and sugar. The sugar produced by the plant is used for its growth and to repair the damaged cells. The extra sugar is stored as starch in different parts of the plants which humans and animals eat as food. Do you know? Plants also need minerals from the soil to grow. For example, nitrogen from the soil helps them grow and make leaves. Potassium helps the plants make fruits and stay healthy. Non-green plants. Non-green plants like mushrooms do not have the chlorophyll. Therefore, they cannot make their own food and they feed on dead and decaying matter. Do you know? Dodder is a parasitic plant that wraps around the stem of another plant and sucks water and minerals from it. Carnivorous or insectivorous plants. Some plants trap insects and digest them. They do so because they grow in the soil that is deficient in nitrogen. They capture insects to fulfill their nitrogen requirements. Venus flytrap has long, pointed hair on its leaves that are sensitive to touch. As an insect sits on the leaves snap shut and the insect gets digested. Pitcher plant has leaves in the shape of a pitcher which is partially filled with digestive juices. As the insect sits on the pitcher, its lid closes and the insect drowns in the digestive fluid and gets digested. Sundew plant traps and digests insects to obtain extra nutrients. Food for animals. Unlike plants, animals cannot make their own food. They depend on plants or other animals for their food. They are called consumers or heterotrophs. Animals can be classified into different groups on the basis of food they eat. Herbivores. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. They are also called primary consumers, e.g., cow, goat, buffalo, deer, giraffe, and horse. Carnivores. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. They are also called secondary consumers, e.g., lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, and wolf. Omnivores. Animals that eat both plants as well as the flesh of other animals are called omnivores, e.g., crow, bear, cockroach, and human. Scavengers. Animals that eat the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. They help to keep the environment clean. Hyena and vulture are scavengers. Scavengers are eco-friendly. Do you know? Some organisms like leeches, lice, and fleas live in or on another organism and take their nourishment from that organism. Such organisms are called parasites. Food chain. All living things depend on other living things for their food requirement. The process of eating and being eaten forms a food chain in nature. There is a flow of energy in a food chain from one organism to another. Do you know? All food chains begin with producers or green plants. Food web. Many food chains are interlinked to form a food web. Consumers do not rely on just one type of food. They can eat a variety of foods. One type of food can be eaten by a large number of animals. This results in the formation of a food web.